My name is Nico,
Nico.
and I've been sent to send you a message.
Oh, come on.
You've been had. Excuse me, ma'am. It's a nice ponytail. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Sorry. Yo.
What's up, man?
Oh, I just had to fart. Just a little poop.
You have to respect, man.
I can't, dude. I got a stomach problem. You guys know how it is. Or not.
We ain't fucking nasty like you, man.
I know. Yeah, you're right. I was just, I got a stomach problem. Not trying to be a woman about it. Have a good day, ladies. Here comes the thunder.
What?
Thunder.
What thunder?
I farted.
Huh?
I farted.
Why you do that?
I don't know. I just thought it'd be funny. We're all bros, right? Have a good day. What is this? A door? Oh my goodness. Wow, is it your door?
No.
Oh. You think this will fit on a RV? Yeah. Could a lot of meth in it. Excuse me. Sorry. Run this through our kitchen. The hallway. That's what I'm saying. You like run this over. wonder if this works. Did either one of you smell that?
What?
I farted into the fan.
Did you?
Yeah. It didn't work, I don't think. Oh well. Myth busted.